Navigating dental implant costs, Europe vs. Turkey. Dental implants are a widely popular solution for individuals looking to replace missing teeth and restore their smile. However, one of the biggest barriers for many people considering dental implants is the cost. In Europe, the cost of dental implants can be quite high, leading some patients to explore other options, such as traveling to countries like Turkey for more affordable treatment. In this article, we will compare the cost of dental implants in Europe versus Turkey and discuss the factors that contribute to this price disparity. Cost of dental implants in Europe. In Europe, the cost of dental implants can vary depending on several factors, including the location of the clinic, the expertise of the dentist, and the materials used for the implant. On average, a single dental implant in Europe can cost anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000 euros. This price does not include additional costs such as pre-surgery examinations, anesthesia, and post-operative care, which can further increase the total cost of treatment. One of the main reasons for the high cost of dental implants in Europe is the overhead expenses that clinics face, such as rent, salaries for staff, and equipment maintenance. Additionally, many European dentists have extensive training and experience, which can also contribute to the higher cost of treatment. While the quality of care in Europe is generally excellent, the cost of dental implants can be prohibitive for many individuals. Cost of dental implants in Turkey. Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism due to its lower costs and high-quality dental care. In Turkey, the cost of a single dental implant can range from 500 to 1,500 euros, making it a more affordable option for individuals seeking dental implants. This price typically includes all necessary pre-surgery examinations, anesthesia, and post-operative care, making it a more transparent and budget-friendly option for patients. One of the main reasons for the lower cost of dental implants in Turkey is the lower cost of living and overhead expenses compared to Europe. Additionally, many Turkish dentists are highly trained and experienced, offering the same level of care as their European counterparts at a fraction of the cost. Dental clinics in Turkey also benefit from government incentives to attract international patients, further reducing the cost of treatment for foreign visitors. Factors to consider when choosing a dental implant provider. When deciding between getting dental implants in Europe or Turkey, there are several factors to consider to ensure you receive high-quality care at an affordable price. Firstly, it is important to research the credentials and experience of the dentist performing the procedure, regardless of the location. Look for a dentist who is certified and has a track record of successful implant surgeries. Secondly, consider the materials used for the dental implant and ensure they meet international standards for safety and durability. Cheaper implants may not last as long or may not be as biocompatible, leading to complications down the road. Ask your dentist about the type of implant they use and verify its quality before undergoing treatment. Lastly, consider the overall cost of treatment, including any additional fees that may not be included in the initial price quote. Factor in travel expenses, accommodation, and any follow-up appointments that may be necessary after the surgery. While getting dental implants in Turkey may be more affordable upfront, make sure to budget for all potential costs to avoid any surprises. In conclusion, navigating the cost of dental implants in Europe versus Turkey requires careful consideration of several factors, including the expertise of the dentist, the quality of materials used, and the overall cost of treatment. While dental implants in Europe may be more expensive, the quality of care is generally high. On the other hand, dental implants in Turkey offer a more affordable option without sacrificing quality. By weighing these factors and doing thorough research, you can make an informed decision about where to get your dental implants and restore your smile with confidence.